Are you needing help with adding AdWords conversions code over to your WordPress websites? If you need help on how to do that, or if you're having issues with errors, then this video is absolutely for you. Hi, my name's Greg with WP Website Help, and we're here to help you today on this issue because it comes up quite often, and I think this video will help a lot of folks out with it. And it's not widely known how to fix it, and many times we see people just giving up on it. So here you go. Number one, what you want to do is go to your AdWords account and go to Tools. And then once you're in Tools, I'm not going to create a new one because I've already created it, but you would click something like Add Conversion Code or whatever it says on this button right now. I believe it may even still be plus conversion. So add conversion. It might be something different for you, but if you add conversion code, you'll end up going through a process of questions to come up with what you would find here after you save that. So this is one that I've already got here. So you open it up and you grab the code. That's step one. Go to the code. I make changes to the code, and this is what it would look like right here. Google code for the name of your conversion page that you just named, and it's quite long here. And you'll see a lot of times the issue that comes up is the C data right here. But this video is about how to do it and also how to fix the error that a lot of people face when trying to put this particular code into a WordPress installation, like a thank you page or a conversion page, after purchase type of thank you page, so you can track who's converting from your AdWords advertising efforts. So first thing you want to do is grab this code. Okay, you grab it. The second thing you want to do is you want to be using Chrome if at all possible, and if you do not have it, go to Google and download the Chrome browser. Then search for Chrome extensions, and you want to come to the chrome.google/web store. Anyway, you're looking for the Chrome web store, and you want to look for Google Tag Assistant. And this is just your Tag Assistant, what it looks like. You click on it, and then this is what it looks like when you before you add it to your Chrome installation. So mine's already added, and there it is right there, the little red tag. That's the Google Tag Assistant icon. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to come to your edit page. This is the thank you page that you want to add this code. So basically you're saying after a person goes through the process of purchasing or signing up for a newsletter, signing up for blog post subscriptions, or some kind of event that you want to track and find out if your AdWords advertising is actually converting people to this. This is where you want to put the code. So you want to go to your text tab. You do not want to use the visual editor to add that code. You want to go into text, and you'll note the bottom of your content here. You want to put it at the bottom. You want to go to text, and you'll see the bottom part of your content where it ends. You want to put it down in here. This is what basically it would look like if you were to put all that code in by itself. But in all actuality, that's not what you want. So I'm going to explain. Here's what the problem is. If you were to copy all that information in here and then hit update or publish, this is what you're going to get. And we're going to be able to verify all this with the Google Tag Assistant. You would get something like this. This is just a test installation instance of WordPress. This is the conversion page that I just added. And if you look up here at the Tag Assistant, you're going to see it yellow. That means there's some kind of an issue. So if you click it, and you'll probably come up with something like, do you want to analyze this page or not? Click yes, you want to analyze the page one time. Or if you want to analyze it every time you go to the page, you can do that too. But whatever it is, click you want to analyze the page. If you don't see this immediately, you'll see my Google Analytics green, good to go. The tag is working as it should. But the AdWords conversion tracking is not working as it should, as evidenced by the yellow tag here. So if you click on it, you're like, okay, what's going on? Well, it says it's missing CData comments. All right. Now, this issue, I got to tell you, I don't see it being fixed anytime soon by WordPress because it's been going on for over 8 years now, and people have issues and it's not tracking properly for them. So this is how you fix it. If you see this, and let me show you the code snippet. This is an issue here, and the C data is an issue. So you don't need to go through the technical aspects of this. You just need to know there's an issue here. So here's how you fix it. Okay, so first I want to show you an overview of what the original code looks like, exactly what parts to delete and what small piece to add, and then I'm going to show you what the streamlined version looks like, of which you want to use in your WordPress installation for the AdWords tracking codes. So after that, I'm going to show you each individual page. I'm going to show you a page of what it would look like with the original, just so you have reference for that. And then I'm going to show you a second page that shows what it looks like with the final product of the streamlined version of the Google tracking code in that as well. And then I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your work and to know without a shadow of a doubt that the tracking code is in fact working. So here I want to show you there's 3 steps. Step 1 of 3 here is grab the code, and this is what the original code would look like. So I'm going to scroll down. This is just the pure original code. The second step is to remove the red portions and to add one small blue part, and I'll explain. Everything from the second line where it begins with script, type, etc., all the way down to the first no script just above the div style, you want to delete. All of this you want to delete. Next, you come down, there's one more little piece you need to get rid of, is just below the last div. You want to get rid of no script there as well. Now what you want, those are the things that you must delete. The thing that you want to add is this blue part, HTTPS colon. This part here you want to add. This is what it looks like in its final version. And feel free to pause if you need to read certain things if we're going too fast, which most of you will need to do. So 3 of 3, this is the final product. This is what you want right here. You've removed the red portions and you've added the blue. So I'm going to go to step 2 here, and it shows the sample thank you page with the original content, or code rather, of what it might look like if you were to add that. But you do not want this. This is what it would look like if you tried to do it. And by the way, you want to use the text tab, not the visual tab. So if you go to the visual tab, you'll see your content here, but you want to go to the text tab and put the code right below the last piece of your content, and you want to put it down here. Now again, this is what you do not want to do. This is what it would look like if you tried to do it, but that's not what you want. You want to use, I'm going to go to a third page, and this is the streamlined version, if you will, of the code that we just deleted the red parts and added that small blue part. This is what it would look like. Remember, stay in the text tab to do this and put it below the last piece of your content. If you go to the visual editor, you will not see the code. It's hidden, and you don't want your audience to see that code, obviously, because it's not needed. So when you go to the text tab, you put the code right below the last piece of content that you have, and there it is. This is what you want. This is what it should look like for you. Now next, what we're going to do is show you how to verify your work. I'm going to show you, number one, what you might see if the code is not working, and then I'm going to show you what it should look like if the code is working utilizing the Google Tag Assistant, which is an extension that you can get for the Google Chrome browser, and here that is. Let's go take a look at the page. It's refreshed. This is the second page with the new, this is with the new content for that code, and notice the top right hand corner. This is the Tag Assistant again, but it's not in yellow anymore, it's in blue. This means that it is working. Now for Google Analytics and other tags, it might be green. That means yes, it's working, or it might be blue. That also means yes, it's working. That's one reason I like green and blue as well. But blue is, hey, everything's working properly. There's no errors, there's no CData errors, and there's no yellow tags. So absolutely, this is the solution for you to install. This is how to install the AdWords conversion code to a WordPress installation, and how to have no errors. This way you can verify your work also with the Tag Assistant. So you're not sort of shooting in the dark and hoping that it works. You know for a fact that your code for AdWords conversion in WordPress, it will work. Okay, now we have additional text in the description area and resource links to help you. And also there should be a link to WP website help as well. We give limitless support for all your WordPress needs. We'd love to have you take a visit, and go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to be notified for future videos. And we hope you have a great day, and I really hope that this helps a lot of people. Thank you so much.